Sige. 1, 2, 3, go.
Good day, ma'am. My name is Clark Jasper B. Montebon II,
And my name is Hector M. Mata, Florida.
And I'm Jandel Lawrence Pilale.
and we will be explaining our code in our order system. Our first line of code will be importing all the packages that we want to use in our system. The next one will be our public class final LE order systems. The next set of code will be a template method to the company which named XYZ Fast Food. And then we'll be printing out an greeting statement that take an order to the customer. The next set of code will be our public main method. We first declare an scanner input variable followed by a set of integer variables. The variable choose will determine what options the customer want to do with this order list. The variable full will determine whether the order list is full or not. The variable size will serve as a conditional variable that will later help us in our for loop code. The next set of codes will be a string variables. The variable value will hold the orders the customer inputted. The variable add will place or hold the order the customer wants to add to his order list. The variable front will showcase the first order the customer inputted. The variable rem will help us or help the customer remove a particular order to his list. And lastly, the variable input. The next line of code is declaring a linked list object. We name it list and then equals new linked list, followed by calling the template method that we made earlier. The rest of the system is inside a do-while loop. First, we ask the customer how many orders he or she wants to make, and that integer value will be placed on a variable size. The next set of code will be a for loop. This for loop is responsible for getting and accepting the orders the customer want to order, and then it will add it to the list that we created. The for loop will be terminated once the size inputted by the user has been reached. After we get all the orders the customer wants to order, the system will print out different methods or options on what to do with this order list. Number 1, display order. Second is remove order. The third one will be the add order. The fourth one will be check the first order. The fifth, check if your order is full. And lastly, to check if it is empty. Followed by the system print out, system.out.print select to guide the user on what number he or she wants to make. And that integer value will be placed on a variable choose.